This video is brought to you thanks to the generous support of Artenda, a database presenting a clear and high-quality overview of art opportunities and open calls for artists.
Hello dear readers and subscribers. Today we have another video for artists because there are a number of open calls, art opportunities for artists that are on our radar that I'd like to bring to your attention. Art opportunities are a crucial strategy, especially for beginning artists who are kind of struggling to find exhibition opportunities, who aren't receiving any exhibition invitations, and simply to gain career momentum. That being said, the following 10 exciting art opportunities with deadlines fast approaching were found on our #1 recommendation platform for art opportunities, artenda.net. So let's have a look. We start with the Glover Prize, held annually in Tasmania, Australia, celebrates contemporary landscape painting in honor of John Glover's legacy. It offers a very prestigious prize with an $80,000 Australian dollar acquisitive prize and is open to all artists worldwide, but bear in mind focused on landscape painting. The submission deadline is January 24, 2025 with an application fee of $40 Australian dollars. Numerous other art opportunities from this list have no application fee whatsoever. However, sometimes, especially for instance in this case, if you are a landscape painter or when it's about a specific region, that already kind of makes the group a bit smaller and therefore your chances for being successful in this art opportunity greater. It can also be a good thing that there is a fee, because this will reduce the amount of application drastically and therefore the competition as well. So sometimes an application fee can be a good thing because it narrows down the playing field and it can increase your opportunities, especially when it's this kind of niched down art opportunity. The GNA Mamidakis Foundation Art Prize supports the creation of monumental, site-specific artworks that engage especially with nature and culture. The award includes €30,000, an exhibition opportunity and also production support. All artists can apply until December 22 of 2024. There is no application fee whatsoever for this opportunity. Up next we have the Herbert Smith Freehills Portrait Awards. The Herbert Smith Freehills Portrait Award for 2025, organised by the National Portrait Gallery in London, offers a top prize of £35,000 and a chance to exhibit in a world-renowned institution, of course. It is open to all artists, all portrait artists, and the opportunity has a deadline of January 14, 2025. There is no application fee. Up next we have another niched down art opportunity by the Royal Institute of Painters in Watercolours. For an exhibition in 2025 hosted at the Mall Galleries in London, the Royal Institute of Painters in Watercolours invites artists aged 18 and over to showcase water-based media artworks, with over £7,000 in prizes, and the deadline to apply is January 28 of the new year. There is an application fee of £20. Up next we have Kunstraum LLC exhibition program. In New York, Kunstraum LLC calls for emerging and mid-career artists to collaborate with curators for their 2025 exhibition program, offering a platform for innovative ideas. This opportunity is open to all artists until December 31, 2024, the last day of the year, with an application fee of $35. The Germaine van Parys Award in Brussels, Belgium, honors women photographers in the field of documentary photography by awarding a €1,000 production grant and an exhibition spot. Celebrating the legacy of Belgium's first female photojournalist, the deadline to apply is this Sunday, today, December 15, 2024. There is no application fee. So female photographers in documentary photography, this is your call. The Max Planck Institute in Frankfurt, Germany presents the Inhabit Artist in Residence program. Artists from diverse disciplines can collaborate with researchers and they provide a €10,000 grant and production budget, free studio accommodation, a rent-free stay, free travel and an exhibition at the end of the residency. In short, all the ingredients for the perfect residency. There are no specific eligibility conditions, applications close on December 29 of this year, and there is no application fee. Bear in mind that this is a rather competitive and also high-end residency, so make sure that your resume and your work is ready to stand its ground. A terrific grant both in terms of supporting artists but also raising awareness for an often overlooked issue in the art world for artists juggling motherhood and creativity. The Artists and Mothers Grant in New York City offers a $25 grant to support childcare expenses. Applications are open to New York City-based mothers with young children, and they are due by January 2nd of 2025. There is no application fee. The Chiba City Arts Triennale of 2025 in Japan seeks artists to create community-focused projects that resonate with Chiba's cultural identity. They have an open call for both international artists and young artists with ties to Chiba. Providing production budgets and exhibition opportunities, the submission deadline is January 5th of the new year, and there is no application fee. Finally, the Larnaca Biennale in Cyprus invites global artists to explore the theme along lines and traces. This biennale offers a significant platform for showcasing works that address connection and memory. The deadline for submissions is March 31 of 2025, and there is an application fee of €50. In the description and the pinned comment of this video, I will be including the complete article for this video, but also artenda.net, where you can find all the links and more information to apply to these art opportunities and many, many more. If there is one New Year's resolution for artists for 2025, then it is to make a good habit of browsing and applying to these art opportunities. Be aware that rejection and disappointment is a part of the game. However, sooner or later, something will come up, especially if you play to your strengths, you apply to opportunities that are specifically within your niche. And if you want to prepare yourself to have the best chances for success, definitely consult artenda.net, but also our overview platform with advice for artists at contemporaryartissue.com. As always, thank you for tuning in today. Feel free to watch last week's video where we discussed 10 very controversial artworks next. Support us on Patreon and please consider subscribing to stay posted for more contemporary art. Bye.